Hello, this is Mornings with Michael back here with our educational quick flick, so to speak. We're going to look at an ascending base today. So let me go to the screen. We've got the new Market Surge software running here. This is Qualcomm. Just move that screen down a little bit. Let me just show you some information about this. So what was interesting about Qualcomm? It was selling off, had a big move down here, but it's not higher than the day volume before. So they're selling, but not an overabundance of selling. And then what do we see the next day? We got a rally. It's up on higher volume than the day before. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 days of institutional buying or nibbling, I would say, before the earnings. 5 days up in a row. What happens after the earnings? It continues. There's a huge gap up. So this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 11, 11 out of 12, 12 out of 14, 13 out of 15. So you kind of get the idea. And I believe this is showing that this is institutional buying. I'll have to check into what this is all new to me. This is the first day I'm running the software, but this is showing you a move up. So this is an ascending base. And then on earnings that were up 32%, it breaks out of this consolidation. And then it just continues up. It kind of consolidates some more. This isn't really a new base, but it's consolidating here. And it's riding right along the 10-day moving average line, 1 day below it, and then it pops up here again, just riding. And look at all this institutional blue price action. And down below, a lot of blue. This red day, it pops up at the end. So that's bullish. This, what do we notice about this? This is low volume. Not a lot of professional selling. Continues up, continues up. This is an ascending base. Breaks out of this consolidation. This isn't long enough to be a new base, but you could say it's a base on base. Comes up, pulls back to the 50-day moving average. It is institutional buying supported at the 50-day moving average. And it moves right back up against the moving averages. Pulls back here, but it's lower volume. It's lower than this volume, which was under the average daily volume. Pulls up, pulls up. And this is a day that we buy. The previous day, we saw a lot of volume. It's either this day or this day. This looks like a pocket pivot. Pivots right out of this little pocket here. There is a number of pocket pivots. I believe we could call this a pocket pivot. This a pocket pivot. And this a pocket pivot. But it's just getting a lot of institutional buying. And now it moves up strongly. Pretty good above average volume, but you've got a lot of above average volume here. Breaks above 160. And this is our base of the day. So hope you all have a great weekend. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.